In this video, we will see how to fix error redirect paused 0x000048 on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of error, basically it is a printer or disk error. So the first workaround is go to run command box by pressing Win plus R shortcut key or right click on a start button and choose run, and here type services.msc and click on OK. It will open services windows in your system, and here look for print queue option. This type of error code is basically related to printer or disk. So right click on printer spooler and stop them. Apply a double click on it to open its properties, and the startup type disabled is, and choose apply and OK. Wait for some times, and after again enable printer spooler service or start printer spooler service. Choose automatic, press apply and OK. Right click on it and choose start. And check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. The next one is again right click on a start button and choose device manager. Open device manager. Here go to the printer section. Look for printer section. If you don't find printer sections in your system, then simply go to top menu bar and choose view and choose show hidden devices, and now you will see print queue option is enabled. Here right click on your printer driver and simply update your printer driver. Choose update driver. Search automatically for drivers. Same procedure, go to disk drives and right click on your disk drivers and choose update drivers and search automatically for drivers. After that, error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Go to Windows search and type C and open command prompt Windows, run as administrator mode. Set your disk as online. How to set your disk as online? In command prompt Windows, type disk part, DISKPART, and press enter. Here type list disk, LIST space disk, DISK. After that, you will find your disk and status also, and if you find it offline, then simply select disk and name the disk as, if you type here your drive D, then the disk you specified is not valid, such type of message appears. So you should type select disk and 0. Select disk 0 and press enter. Disk 0 is now the selected disk, and now type online. In my case, already in online mode. If you find it offline, then same procedure, type online and your disk is now set as online, and check whether your error is resolved or not. Online a disk that is currently marked as offline. Online a volume, that is if you type volume and press enter, then your volume will be offset as marked as online or offline. And if you type a select volume and assign your device volume name and press enter, it will select your volume. Otherwise, select disk. And check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. You can also check your disk space status online as it is. Scan your system. Again go to Windows search and type cmd. Open command prompt Windows, run as administrator mode. And here execute these three DISM tool one by one, followed by enter key on each time. DISM scan health, DISM check health, and DISM restore health. Scan your health, check your system health, and restore your system health. Execute one by one all these three commands in command prompt Windows, followed by enter key on each time. And after that execute the command sfc scan now. sfc/scan now. This command will check your system for any corrupted files and repair them accordingly. It will take some times, wait for some times till 100% verification of your system completed. After that, don't forget to restart your system and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, one last process is go to run dialog box again by pressing Win+R shortcut key and here type RSTREY. This command will open system restore window. Restore system files and settings window will open. Here click on next. Here select the restoration point. If you want to show more restore points, then make the check against this option and all the available restore point will show here. Select it, choose next, and finally confirm your restore point. Click on finish and let the window complete the restoration point. It will restore your system before it was in good condition. Don't forget to restart your system after restoration.